What's up, everybody? Welcome to the show. I got my Joe Burrow jersey on. Can you see it? I'm not sure what I'm pointing at, but I hope you could. Anyways, we're gonna go outside and look at something pretty exciting. It's so exciting. I'm starting to view from the inside. I don't want to spoil what it is. Pretty exciting. Come on, Bo. So, if you know me, if you're following along with my gardening, you know I have fig trees. 3, and I was about to pull one out. It looks like this is Farleigh. I was pulling Farleigh out to get a new spot so he can get some sun, see how he does in the sunlight. And I saw something very exciting, and I'm in shock because Farleigh is only, I think, 1 to 2 years old. I got him from the mother. No. Farleigh was one I bought. This is an LSU Tiger fig. I bought him separately. And he's only 1, 2 years old. First of all, almost as tall as me. He's probably about 5 feet tall. And he's pregnant. Yeah, it's pregnant. Whatever. I know people get offended. Men can't have babies. Nobody cares. He's pregnant. There you go, right there. But it's pregnant with a pup or sucker, whatever you want to call it. It's very fertile. Look at all this. But there you go. That's going to turn into a full-grown, full-blown, hey, buddy, Boopy. It's going to turn into a full-grown fig tree one day, just like Farleigh. And, like, my excitement would be over the top if I looked at Francesca has one, too. But I don't think that's the case because she's pregnant with fruits. I don't know if it could be both at the same time. Looks like there's a lot of stuff coming up, but just like Farleigh, but no baby. No baby for Frankie either. Nope. It's very rare, I'm finding, that you actually get one of these suckers. I've only had one, and that's what you're looking at right now. That's Francesca. She came from Frankie, the mother plant. But now, Farleigh, only a year or 2 in, LSU Tiger. I believe it's LSU Purple Tiger fig. There's a gold and a purple variety. I have the purple one. And it's pushed up a pup. So, yeah, that's not even what I came out here to do. I came out here to get everything ready and reorganized to do for some fertilizer. But I think we're gonna end off right there. Very exciting. Bo's excited. I think I can feel that radiating off him. If I'm excited, he's excited. He's my reflection. But there you go. Big beautiful figs. I hope the animals don't get them like they did last year. But if they do, that's okay too. One second, wipe this off. Why is it blurring? That's AI thinks I'm trying to look at the leaves. I want to see those fruits. AI is blurring them out. Anyways, guys, that's it. Probably my shortest gardening video ever. But get very excited. It doesn't even need a new pot because it's got a big pot as big as I have, 20 gallons. And I would guess in about maybe a month from now, they grow a little slower than the bananas. About a month from now, we'll be separating. Love you. See you. God bless. Take care. Take it easy. Grow something. Get excited.